Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Undetectable coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do the tape-in install with curly hair this time, guys. This is the curl pattern that's supposed to match my hair perfectly, and guys, it does. It matches my hair pretty good. It's 3B, 3C tape-in extensions, and these extensions are from Betterlength hair, guys. Everything about this hair will be in the description box below. Disclaimer, ignore my nails throughout this video, girl. I was in the process of taking the things off, but they were hurting. Y'all know how it goes when you're trying to take these nails off and they're just they hurt, okay? Betterlength company did that with the matching of the hair extensions. All right, guys, if y'all know y'all curl pattern, then all you have to do is select your curl pattern down below when it comes to the tape-in extensions on that website, and guys, they will send you it. Now guys, these are almost 3 packs, or probably are 3 packs. So what I did is I ordered, it comes in like 2 bunches in every single pack, so I got 2 packs, okay, which end up being 4 packs. So yeah, this is 20 inch, but y'all do know that that's only when you stretch it out, okay? So be mindful of that. Like I said, these are 20 inches, but they look, you know, like they could be 16 or 14, but you know how it is. When it's stretched out, it is that length, okay? So just be mindful of that when you are ordering and selecting the length, all right? So without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys a hug. We're just gonna jump into this tape-in tutorial, okay? So let's go. You already know that we do give hugs around this mug, all right? So without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into this tutorial, and I will talk to y'all in my next video, period. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Undetectable coming to you today with another video, girl. And today's video is another tape-in extension tutorial. This time, this is curly, guys, and the hair is from Betterlength. It's hair for black women. It is a kinky, curly type of style, but tape-in extension, okay? You guys, you know we love these tape-in extensions. They are so versatile, so natural, and they last a long time, okay? So here is what came in my Betterlength packet, guys. Just 2 bundles of tape-in extensions per pack. So I end up getting 2 packs, so I end up getting 4 in total, all right? So okay, so when you're doing tape-in extensions, whether or not you have curly or straight, a lot of people recommend you straightening the hair first. I do not recommend you straightening the hair first unless you are doing straight hair. Now, since today is curly hair, what I decided to do is stretch my hair in a blown out state, but try to avoid putting heat to it. So I decided not to blow it out. I just decided to wash my hair, deep condition, and braid it in 2 braids and let it dry overnight, guys. So that is how I'm starting everything off today. Right now, I'm just going to figure out how I'm going to part everything off. So I decided to do a middle part as well as a side part, guys, on the right hand side, as well as half up, half down, as well as leaving all my perimeter out, so that way I can wear it in a top knot bun or a high ponytail, all right? So that is what I'm doing right now. I braided off the front section for the 2 parts, and I'm going to part off the middle section for the half up, half down, okay? Make sure you're always leaving enough hair, guys, because if you don't leave enough hair for the leave out, you will be able to see the tape-in extensions. And although the tape-in extensions are dark, like the tape part is dark, so it will blend in with your hair, guys, but you still see it because it's kind of shiny, okay? So this is how much I am leaving out in the back, and I know it seems like it's a lot, guys, but it's worth it whenever you are trying to style it in versatile ways, okay? The mirror that I'm using will be in the description box below, guys. This is a mirror that I use to do any type of styles, especially tape-in extensions, because it's hard to do your own tape-in extensions if you can't see, or if you're struggling with if you're struggling with trying to, you know, figure out exactly where to put these tape-in extensions, okay? So I really like it. It's, oh my God, I just love this mirror. It's the best thing ever. So right here, guys, I'm just braiding off the section where I'm going to have that middle section to have it half up, half down. So I'm just going to braid out the way, and yeah, I'm just kind of pre-sectioning everything off. This is how one bundle looks, guys. I'm just going to cut that little string that attaches all the tape-in extensions, and this is how they look for one bundle. I end up using 2.5, almost 3 bundles of hair. Now, since I'm having so much leave out, make sure that the part that you are going to conceal with the tape-in extensions, they're kind of close together, so that way you're able to fit, you know, enough hair. So this is how to look, guys. You need 2 for every single one, okay? Because you're going to want to sandwich it between. And they all come with that little tape part that is covered by that white plastic. You want to make sure you peel that off. Now, I don't just peel off all of them at the same time. I'll only peel off 2 at a time because that is what I'm working on, okay? So that is how they look. I did not wet anything. I didn't do anything to this hair yet, okay? So the first little 2 sections you probably can't see, guys, because it's too dark, but I end up zooming in, so now you can see after those 2 little tape-in extensions, okay? But I wanted to see how I'm going to do it. Like always, I want to make sure that it's sticking together and it's, you know, it's lasting, okay? So, girl, don't pay attention to my nails because, baby, I'm trying to take them off. But I did 2 already, and I'm going to clip it out the way with that plastic duck clip, and then I'm going to just keep on going. So make sure on the sides where I am doing now, make sure they are going up and down, and then the back and the middle, they can go straight across, because whenever you are lifting up in a ponytail, you want to make sure that it's flipping the right way. So if it doesn't flip the right way, you may see a lot of the tape-in extensions and they may not lay flat. So in order to make sure they lay flat, make sure that you are parting up and down on the sides, you guys can see, so that way when you flip it up in the ponytail, you know, it's able to kind of flip and lie super flat. So I did use 1 full bundle in the back, guys. I actually used, I think, a bundle in like 3 or 4 pieces of the other bundle to make sure that everything is full in the back, all right? So that is what I'm doing. Guys, like I said, all you're doing is just taking off that plastic for 2 of them, and then you're placing one tape-in extension on top of the hair and then the other one underneath the hair, and literally are pressing them together so that way they kind of stick together and stick your hair in between. Also, make sure that you are doing very slim pieces, because if the pieces are too big, they will not stick, and it'll only be a little bit of the hair that's stuck and the other part will not be stuck, and the tape-in extensions will slide out, okay? So be very mindful of that. Also, if you're not, you know, straightening your hair like that, make sure that you are kind of pulling your hair to kind of make sure that the roots are straight before you're applying these tape-in extensions. That is very imperative. So all I'm doing, guys, is just repetitive, parting in slim sections, and then applying that tape-in extensions, you know, at the top, and then kind of sandwiching it underneath the bottom. Okay, guys, very self-explanatory.
Osumbana, yeah, Osumbana, hey, Osumbana. Una duru koto una gajanya gewara. Osumbana, yeah, Osumbana, hey, Osumbana. Una duru koto una gajanya gewara. Osumbana, yeah, Osumbana, hey, Osumbana. Una duru koto una gajanya gewara. Osumbana, yeah, Osumbana, hey, Osumbana.
Alright, y'all, so now that I'm done with the bag, you see how it looks. It looks really good. Okay. Looks good and full. So now I'm going to move on to the section. I'm going to place that middle part where I'm leaving out with it, and then I'm going to put it all in a bun. Now I'm moving towards the front. So like I said, I'm going to have the middle part, a lot of the front, and the side part. So make sure that if you do want enough hair and it makes it look natural, make sure you are, again, putting these tape-in extensions pretty close together, so that way you're still able to fit enough hair and it doesn't look skimpy, and, you know, it just doesn't look skimpy. You know what I'm saying? Like, you want it to still look full. So, yeah, did I tell y'all to disregard these nails? Because, baby, I'm trying to take them off. I think I did. Yeah, girl, disregard these nails, baby, because I know they look a hot mess. So, on the sides, you guys, this is where I'm not really going to have any parting. I'm not going to show any of my hair really on this side. So, this is the side that I'm really going to kind of fill in pretty well. I put a whole nother bundle on this side, guys, to make sure that, like I said, it's full and it stays and, you know, it just able to blend in. So, you guys see I'm putting it under, then I'm putting it over, and then I'm pressing it together. And yeah, I'm just going to keep on doing that. And I'm just going to keep on doing that until I get towards the middle. Alright, y'all, here I am basically filling that part, and I'm going to skip over that middle section, and I'm going to kind of close in on that part while I'm going to have my part at the right side, okay? Like I said, I did skip over that middle section, so that way, you know, when I flip it back over to the middle, that it's still laying flat, and I can still wear it down the middle, okay? Yeah, so that is how basically everything looks, and I'm just going to kind of go back in and fill in any little sparse areas that I feel like that just need some more, you know, clip-ins or tape-ins, extensions. So yeah, now I'm just kind of filling in the behind the part, and I'm going to fill in the part where my ear is to make sure that it's all filled in. And that is it, guys. Pretty simple. I'm going to take out my leave outs, and I'm going to start to blend everything in. So I'm just always going to start off with water. I think the best bet is to take a shower and kind of drench everything with water, but you know, we don't feel lazy doing that right now. We already been in the shower, so we're just going to kind of spray everything down really good with water, guys. I mean really good, okay? Once I do that, I'm going to get some type of curl cream. This is some like curl activator, like some super old school like product that I use that I seen at the hair store. I just kind of wanted to use it on my hair and see if it made a difference, you know. I wanted to kind of compare curl creams from now until then and seeing how they differ. And it was okay. I mean, it wasn't nothing special about it, I don't feel. So, but anyways, I put that on my hair after I sprayed it down with water. And then I just use some Eco Style gel, guys. And I just kind of define my hair and that hair that I'm using. You know, the parts that I need to kind of define and tame the curls. And that is it, guys. You see, I can style it in different ways. I did style it in a half up, half down in this video. I've been wearing it in a half up, half down, but I haven't styled it. Anyways, I've been putting it up in a bun, ponytail, and have it all down. Those are a couple styles that I'm wearing it in, but I will do like a style video so that way you can see all the styles that you can wear this style in. But I want to thank you so much, Betterlength, for sponsoring this video. I love this hair, guys. It is beautiful. It matches my curl pattern pretty well. And yeah, so I just want to thank you guys for taking the time out to watch this video. And you could just kind of watch me style the rest of this video. And if you are looking to purchase this hair, make sure you are going to Betterlength. Everything that I use will be in the description box below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and stay tuned for maintenance and everything else that comes with these tape-in extensions. Love y'all. Bye.